Welcome to the Videoworks TV. Today we'll talk about how we built with our workshop operational process. A warm welcome to Eros and Fabrizio from our workshop team. Eros, could you describe the Videoworks operational process?
Sure. The rec production process starts with a plan defined by the industrial director, who combines the input from the system engineering team and the workshop production capacity. The production cycle continues with a meeting with the technical office, during which we review the technical diagrams and the layout to check for any discrepancies between the design and the actual implementation. We also verify the material availability with the purchasing manager. After that, each rec is assigned to a dedicated technician. Our workshop team follows a standard procedure detailed in the technical instruction manual, our Bible, which ensures consistent quality and guides any custom implementation based on specific client requirements.
Very well. Fabrizio, can you walk us through the installation and assembly phases?
Of course. The process begins with studying the rack layout assigned and sourcing all the required device and accessories. We then position the device on the rack in according to the layout provided by the technical office. To maintain overall balance and stable integrity, either and deeper components are installed at the bottom of the rack. Next, we install the rear support bar, which enable efficient connection for all internal and external cabling. Then we move on to wiring. Start with the power supply cable and following by amplified audio cable.
Fabrizio, I was looking at the video and I was surprised, but is it really you?
Yeah.
Oh, great, fantastic. So this phase you are very fast, a little bit too fast. Huh? Well, congratulations. Please tell us more about your workshop.
Yeah, sure. Finally, we install a signal cable such as Ethernet cable, Ethernet preamplifier audio and serial cable, kept separate from the power line to prevent electromagnetic interference. To conclude, the workshop technicians carry on hardware test. That is to verify everything we're doing, all installation and wiring procedures have been properly executed. Everything we're doing is in accordance with our Bible, the technical instruction manual.
Very well, Fabrizio. Eros, which are the key strengths of the Videoworks workshop?
There are three main strengths that define the Videoworks lab: ongoing communication and continuous training of our technician, standardization of process supported by the technical instruction manual, and the ability to internally build, install and pretest our solution without relying on outsourcing.
Thank you, Eros. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how we built and take care of your technology on board. So thank you, Eros and Fabrizio, for your time. Thank you for being here. And don't miss out the next episode of your Videoworks TV. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.